In today's video, I'll show you on how you can activate your Ooredoo eSIM. First things first, we want to head over to our application and click on the Manage Plan button. This window will now show up. This is going to be the Services tab on which you have to select the eSIM option. Convert your physical SIM cards to eSIMs or manage them. From here, we simply want to get started by clicking on the eSIM option, activate your eSIM and download your QR code. From there, we want to select the service number. Simply by clicking on this option right here, all of your service number will show up. After selecting one, this will now open up on which you can download the QR code in order to activate it for your other phone, or you can activate it to the device it's open on by clicking on this specific activate button. So you can just choose either both of them, and from there you have successfully activated your Ooredoo eSIM. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.